Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we're going to be looking at how to deactivate it. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos and we have daily updates. Otherwise, back to the program here. Now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on activating and deactivating the program. I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. But otherwise, the reasons for deactivating a program, I've briefly covered it before. But let's say you have upgraded your computer or so forth, and you would like to deactivate it. So then, in order to install it onto a new computer. So that is unfortunately a step you're going to have to do. You cannot just reinstall it, as the license is linked to your program. And then also keep in mind, if you also just uninstall this here and install it on a new computer, it is not going to give you the ability to activate it there. You're going to have to first deactivate it on the program itself. So in order to do that, we can always go here on top to the help. So obviously once you're in the program, you go to your main menu, help, you navigate down to deactivate, and then we'll see that I tell you here, are you sure you want to deactivate the software? Deactivating will allow you to reinstall on a different computer, requires an internet connection. So keep that in mind, and then you just click yes, which I'm not going to click yes now, seeing that I just activated mine. Anyway, so once you do that, it will be deactivated. If you are still in your trial or demo version, within the 30-day time period, you'll still be able to carry on using your program. But if your 30 days has expired, you will no longer be able to use a program on this current machine. But keep in mind, however, you can reactivate it on this machine. So if you've accidentally deactivated it and you wish to reactivate it on the current machine, you can always just reactivate it. You start the program and then you follow the step 2 or 3 in the previous videos, or the previous 2 videos, and then you can activate it. Otherwise, that is it on deactivating your program. Otherwise, if we head here to vinylcut.co.za, by now, especially in this little series, you might be aware that you can go to the downloads page and then find the demo version there. It's 30-day free trial. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, we do have a variety of different softwares we cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. So if you're looking for anything specific, if you do not find however what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, and then we'll make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.